The markets make a very unsettled start into the new month of February, and we are in the middle of the earnings seasons. Many companies came out or coming up and coming out actually with the new earnings. And I have two new shares for you today. And I'm really happy because one of this sounds like an animal. It's called zebra. Let's have a look at this one, and I'm really happy to show you this. If you go to Zebra, then we can see it's a Technologies Corporation from NASDAQ, and interestingly, they delivered very, very good numbers. At the next one is next week. Actually Thursday, and estimates 1.66, and as you can see, the last earnings were really successful, really profitable, but the share is really cheap. Let's have a look at this one, and we start here, and you see in the hourly chart, the fair price is around about $268, and we are in an uptrend and a downtrend. And that means you must be prepared in case you are a trader. Then there is a very interesting trading chance. For the long side, going back to around about $280, okay, there is the fair price a little bit as a challenging obstacle, but the way is free until up to the point of control. And we are in a trend, and maybe there's a good trading idea at $247 with a stop loss below the last 0.3. But a little bit more promising is the downtrend, which is really young. We have a little bit higher probability, and maybe, buy the rumor, sell the facts. Next week are the earnings from Zebra, and maybe there's a good idea to go short here at around about $238 to speculate on a trend continuation. And maybe a good target is, in the first place, of course, the point of low, $226, and there is a high volume so $206. So there are interesting two targets. Could be great chance in Zebra for the hourly chart. We will see it in the next days. I will come back to this very interesting share. Okay, and the next one is building airplanes. This is Boing. And the last numbers were really good. That was January 31. The market, the numbers hit, and the estimates, but the chart is not really that good, because you see in hourly chart, for example, in daily chart, look, it's really interesting. In daily chart, we are exactly at the point of control, $212 roundabout. But you see the good numbers from the last earnings were not rewarded from the market. So we are still circling around the point of control. But the positive thing is still a trend. And as a trend follower, we have two options, and we have a guarantee. Either we see a trend break or a trend continuation. One of those things must happen. That's the nature of trading, by the way. So there is maybe a good buying chance here at around about $216 to speculate here on this trend continuation. If you're a little bit smaller in time frame, then there is also very good chance. And here the fair price is $213. And as you can see, we always come from an unfair price zone back to the fair price zone, from lower back and upper always back. And this we should consider, because in trading, you trade prices and not the product. It's Boeing share, but who cares? We just traders. We trade the price, and you only can make money with buy cheap and sell expensive, or the opposite direction. This is what I teach you, and you will find my online logic course in the description here on this video. And if you are still looking for a profitable strategy, then maybe trend following is one and only. And I teach my students many things about psychology, philosophy, to control your emotions, because you need to understand this. So Boeing is a great buying chance, actually, at around about $207 with a stop loss at $198, because we trade with probabilities and not with guarantees. Okay, 2 new shares. Maybe you learned a little bit, and I'm really happy and glad to support you in that way. I'm looking forward to see your comments below. The link to the online course is here also. It would be great pleasure to work with you together and to discover new trading galaxies for you and me. And as always, have courage and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See you. Bye-bye.